Wait a minute. Is she Pennsylvania? What do you know? I can't open that second. Do not open it! Oh, you better stop eating that popcorn now!
Or staying home.
Huh?
Let me tell you something. We got to fight with our lives, alright?
There's an old man and man Saku and Kit Kat tonight to me!
Andy, we're all being respectful. I know we said we was going to, but if it's going to be
Hello!
out of here, you call this whole thing off, man. Eddie, I want to show you something. The video, it'll work. We got a troop again. Sit here and get yelled at by your wives, so
I think if you just start taking your mother. Here we go, it's trying to get the fire. I have you take her in the fire. That's right, me too. I think of it when I do everything you mad. The mother, man. Man. I am. Who is it? What's the guy? Are you good? You're better than me. You're the super fire, you. That's a commissar. Commissar. Hey, you know me? Leave me alone. Leave me alone now! We're not to me! No! Do not stop eating that nut! Why did you do that to me? Get in the pan! Oh no, man! Come on and that to me! Out of my bag! Out of my bag! Now!
okay, pretty good. How many of you can peel a potato?
He's here! Oh, things!
Peel a potato, okay.
Put it out to me! Go! Go! Don't get it! Okay. Why is really good to my man? That's it. No. I think okay.